Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing very well. This is Victor Nix, your friend, right? I'm so excited to come your way today. Um, Quickly this morning, I want to show you something very important. It basically had to do with scripting. Let me go to the classroom. Actually, let me go to the classroom. Okay. But unfortunately, we have only one person in class, who is she. We have Fana BCC. So we have been talking about scripting. Okay, when it comes to scripting, basically it's we could divide it into three. Okay, based on their complexities, we have a very simpler form of it. Okay, which you can do it very quick on your own, putting just words together. In its simplest form. And then there's another one that is actually the organizational type. Okay, that one even is not done by one person. You would do some, another person would do some, and another person would do some. So at the end of the day, put it together and it becomes something. You understand? So mostly, if there's like, okay, we are looking for um, a video editor, like in the form of adverts. In other words, they are calling you to join their team in that area because once you get to the team, you guys will be working in that team. So that is the number two. I want you to know the difference. Okay. And then the number three is the one that lies in between. Okay. In between the simpler and then the one that is done by the team, which is considered to be something tough. I'll not use the word tough, but challenging. That's challenging. Okay. So the one that is in the middle, that is the class that we want to belong to. And then what does it really mean is that basically, this is the category of people who are somehow like the same player and also somehow like in the category of challenging because what they do actually, um, they want to use all tools like extra tools, extra um, experience to add more onto the simplicity. You understand? So you're doing all of that stuff in your head, but you always have to make sure it's very simple and very professional. Okay. So quickly, I can I show you my client's conversation? Okay, okay. No need for that. All right. If you go through the presentations, if you go through the presentations, I did um, send a whole lot of stuffs. Hello guys, this is your favorite. So in this particular video, oh, this video is actually for people who want to be the comedies. When somebody said up, and then you see those the corresponding reaction on it. So basically, if you watch that video, it's really going to help you. Okay. Okay. So I did talk about something very important that we're going to talk about corporate videos and AI human automation. All right. All right. All right. 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 So we said what is scripting, okay? We define it. I want to say we assume it, okay? I want to go to this place. Hmm. So basically, when you're making a corporate video, as we talk about what a corporate video is, it's something that is targeted to a business, something that is targeted to a business, something that's targeted to a business or a brand. I did give a lot of examples. I know from the video that I sent, it actually communicates well. So basically, to go straight to the point, these are the 5 steps I want to follow so that we can come up with something that we can use our visual to automate. All right. So basically, number one, we have to understand the content. Understand the content. This is actually where the work lies. All right. Let's assume now it is not your business. I mean, it's somebody's business you want to do for them. Okay. Somebody's business, but you want to do it for them. You understand? Sorry guys. Let me put on my this. I want to hotspot something. All right, no problem. So let's say now it's somebody's business, and that's somebody's business. You have to interact with the person, and the person have to tell you the kind of business that they have and what they expect to have, like what they expect um, um, to get in the video, because you have to make sure that you get the key details in the video. It's very funny when I started making corporate videos. Basically, or somebody said I love to use the word basically. I'm used to it anyway. So when I started making corporate video, one of the mistakes I used to do is that I don't used to get enough details of the business. So once you're done with everything, you just send it to the president. The president, oh, you didn't add this. Oh, you didn't do this. So you have to spend more time and make sure that you get accurate and complete details from the person that you're working, that you are doing the video for. Okay, all right. So you have to understand their business actually, understand the location, understand the way they operate, understand, spend a lot of time asking them. This is why corporate videos are not very cheap. They are usually very expensive. Okay, because there is a whole lot of stuff that goes there. Do you understand? So, and the next one, you write a script. You write a script. All right. So I did something here, and then I did something here, and then I think it's really going to help us. All right, I did something here. I think it's really going to help us. Okay, let me go to my own contact. Okay, don't look at my work before you sleep my work, eh? Anyway, sure. Um, let me give you this guy. So I have something that I call as my formula. Okay, and what my formula does basically is that there are just 5 principles that I follow quickly to get my work done. Don't forget about, forget about all the long talk and the long time I'm taking to explain all of this thing. When we come to the practical, it's going to be a very easy thing. All right. Number one, understanding the content well, which I have really talked about. Okay. The client is involved. Ask them more details as they are actually typing. Make sure that you copy and paste in a place you refer to at any time. Do you understand? Okay, you have to write a script. Okay, you have to correlate the script. Um, Correlating the script, you know what that means? Is that you kind of separate them. For example, if you are having about 20 lines of sentence or sentences, okay, what you do is that you kind of separate and match the ones that fall the same category will fall the same category. That is correlating, so that when you actually get your materials, your videos, your pictures, everything will just collide. There will be a good flow. I hope you get it. Exactly. So, material sourcing, I did mention one of it, which is a popular one, which is a Canva Pro, right? And the next one I'm going to show you later. If you reference the file that I sent in the group, I did send a very good file in the group. Um, Something that I said that people should, this thing is very important. This, this. I don't know how to explain this. If you open this, you're going to see a whole lot of stuff that I indicated there. All right. So this is going to help to ease your work, and then it's has a whole lot of secret. All right. So we talked about Panda Video, we talked about YouTube, we didn't talk about Snap, Tube Pro, but these are stuff that are self-explanatory. All right. Once you go through them, just go to the Telegram and get them downloaded, and they are really going to help you do your work very much quickly. All right, guys. So this particular place is going to be separated into modules. Okay, module 1, module 2, I think up to module 5. Okay, but um I think they are about module 5, because I want to separate the the tutorials, make them shorter and shorter so that we can really understand. So we have spent a whole lot of time trying to talk about scripting. So the emphasis is understand the content well first. What are you going to write? What do you want to animate? Understand it first. It is when you understand it, you will know the kind of video you're going to download. You will know the kind of pictures you download. You will know exactly how the animation, the sound, the pop-up, everything would be. I cannot overemphasize in understanding the content. You should understand it even more than the client. Yes, because you are using your own expertise to do something like that, right? So when you're done, you have to write a script. Okay. Now there is something here that I want us to look at as I finalize this particular mode one. This is exactly what my client sent me. All right, and I'm going to copy it. I just copy it and paste it here just for explain to you guys. Okay, my client, I told him, what is your business all about? It is a real farm, estate farm, situated in Lagos, Nigeria. We major in helping people get their dream lands um, in conspicuous and prominent cities in Nigeria like Epe, Leke, Ibadan, blah, blah, blah. So we help various individuals become landowners. You understand? And the list goes on. And the person must have to add their contact or their website. That is the call to action. This is very important. Okay. And then the person have to send you logo animation if he has it. Because most of these major business they have logo animation or some of these tools that are already there. So you don't have to start creating your own from basics. Ask them if they have, they can share so you can basically use it. Do you understand? And it is a trusted site. Ask them if it is trusted or is just a startup or something that is not registered. It's very much important. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to close this recording for now as the module one of understanding what scripting is and what you have to look out for and the kind of question you have to ask your client about. So, in this case, we are assuming that we're working for somebody, but to use the same scenario, like if you want to make it for yourself, you understand, or for something for free, okay? And mind you, corporate videos are not are not, in fact, are not free. They are always expensive. They are always expensive.